homies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day, back again with another video for y'all, and today we are going to be doing some makeup. Right now I'm wearing an old synthetic wig. I just thought it looked really cute with the yellow look that I'm going for, but after this video I'm going to be doing the Nadula hair review video. So I already have my wig cap on and everything, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm gonna try to make this a super fast look. First, I spray my beauty blender, make it like damp, moist, whatever. I use this Rimmel London Stay Matte in the color No Set 501. For my foundation, I use this Magic Collection foundation from the beauty supply store, and this is the color Honey. Now, I don't know if they sell this at every beauty supply store, but my local beauty supply store has it, and it's $5. Amazing, really, honestly. Next, what I'm doing is taking some Pro Concealer in this yellow color, and I'm putting it under my eyes because my under eye bags are terrible. After that, I take a different beauty blender, a more clean one, and I'll just blend it. And today, I'm gonna be bringing out this beauty right here. This is Fenty Beauty. The I don't know if y'all can see that, but like the trophy wife edition. My boyfriend got me this for Christmas, so we're gonna be using this today. Of course, the trophy wife, like, of course. So first I'm gonna go on with the nudes palette. I think I'm gonna use this color right here. And I think I'm just gonna like do the top kind of. So next I'm gonna use this little colorful palette I got from the beauty supply store. And I think I'm gonna use this yellow color right here, really vibrant. It's giving me life. Next, I'm gonna pause on my eyeshadow and leave it like this, and then do my eyebrows, and then come back to my eyes. Okay, for my eyebrows, I use these three products right here. I use the Nudes palette, this e.l.f. brush, this brush, and this angled brush. So next, I'm going back to my eyes, and I'm playing with this like Fenty Trophy Wife eyeliner, I guess, and I'm just playing with it, trying to see what can I do, I guess. So with it, I just did that thing like a wing. And I don't even know if I like it. I'm just experimenting, really. I never used this before. I don't know. I don't hate it, nor do I love it. I don't know. So next I'm going to be putting lashes on. These are some lashes I already wore, and yeah, I'm about to glue it. Okay, so next we're going to put some blush, add a little bit of color to my face because I look really white. I always use this one, and I mix these two. Okay, next is highlighter, but y'all will never believe what I just did. Like, I literally just dropped it, and it's all over my floor right now. So I'm gonna take the remainder of this before I open my new one and do highlighter. Oh my gosh. I just don't got time. Yes, come on, trophy wife, yes. Come through, Riri. Oh, yes. It just feels so right. Like, it just, yes. Yes. And this is a dark brown lip liner pencil. I always use this to outline my lips. And I take it up and overextend the outline. I like to have a cupid's bow. I know some people just go like straight over their cupid's bow and make it like straight. I feel like they do that when you don't have lips, but I have lips, so I like to show my cupid's bow. It's a Fenty lip gloss or lipstick, and I've never tried it, so we're gonna try it today. Oh, and just mix the brown with the gold. To tie that together, I have this lip gloss. It came with Fenty lip gloss too, but I don't know where it is at the moment. So I'm gonna use this. I got it from the beauty supply store. Super cute. And just put some gloss on. So next we're gonna go ahead and throw the lashes on. They say if you can apply lashes with your fingers, then you're a psychopath. So I guess I'm a psychopath because I don't use tweezers. So next I'm gonna do setting spray, which y'all know I use water. And a little of this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm gonna take these clips out and fix my hair. Fix my hair, and this is the finished product right here. And this is cute. I feel cute. This is the finished product.